mine train. That's going to be the next one.
Skipper Laura, if you have a thing, just give it like a thumbs up. Okay, great.
It's that time in our program to reach to the far corners of the globe to see how they're celebrating the holiday season. If I can get a connection here, let's see how Skipper Arthur is doing at the North Pole. Skipper Arthur, do you copy? Now, Skipper Arthur, those of us back home are dying to know, have you seen inside of the big man himself? Arthur? Good to know. Say, Arthur, I imagine it's pretty cold out there. Well, it seems that we've lost us. Figuratively speaking, of course. And now, boys and girls, cozy up to your nearest speaker. There you go. Watch your head, watch your head. Let's come in the back door, you're going to come around the edge, all the way here to the front door, okay? And right here on top of that square, okay? Don't go any further than that. There you go. How's everybody doing? Lively bunch. Okay. Is this anyone's first time on the Jingle Cruise? Anyone here? First time? First time? Oh, fantastic. Me too. This year. What about last time? Anyone here for the last time?
No, hope not.
Yeah, we'll talk about that later. All right, a few more people here. We'll be underwater. Sorry, other way. All right, some quick safety information. Please stay seated at all times. Keep those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, watch over the kids. We are clear. Everybody wake up on all the folks up there on the dock. Wave goodbye, wave goodbye. That's right, you're never going to see them again. You didn't know them anyway. Just like all the cargo that we never got. So we ordered a whole bunch of cargo out here, and it never got there. So keep an eye out for that. Welcome aboard. My name is Robert. I'm going to be your Jingle Cruise skipper, your tree trimmer, popcorn stringer, secret Santa.
Hi, Mom.
I keep forgetting about that. That's one supposed to be secret. All right, well, we're going to start right here in the Amazon River here in South America. Now, do you know why this area is so special to Santa? Well, because of all the rain here. You got 9.5 more minutes in this. Brace yourself. All right, now, we're going to move right on to Inspiration Falls. Now, we call it Inspiration Falls because legend has it, the longer you stare at it, the more it inspires usual Grinches like me to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everyone give me a fa. La. Everybody give me a la. La. Give me a la 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 la. La 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 Goes all over the place. All right, well, close enough. Now we're going to move on to the Congo River. Now, right up ahead, I've arranged for a small holiday party. Everyone wave big smiles and say, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
What is this? I can't see anybody. Canoe? You know, I even gave these guys a nice little present, and they didn't even show up. So I got them that old tree over there. What? I thought it was a great gift. Look, I even wrapped it up and put a bow on top. All right, well, we're going to move on to my campsite. I got presents for everybody here. Oh, come on! Can't believe this. Oh, you just hate it when your in-laws show up unannounced for the holiday. I know, it's crazy. Oh, man. Look at what they did to my Jeep. They painted it blue. Yeah, I was having a lot of trouble getting that thing started. Thankfully, they got it to turn over. They must have got a monkey wrench in their stocking. All right, we're going to move on to the Nile River. Right over here, we have an African bull elephant. Now, he's very talented. I taught him a couple tricks. You guys want to hear it sing a song?
Yeah.
All right, watch this. George, give me... Yeah, I know. All right, here we go. You ready? And give me Silent Night. You're really proud of yourself, aren't you? All right, we'll try that again later. All right, now over here, ooh, look at this. We got lots of animals gathering for the holidays. We got zebras, impalas, giraffes, and wildebeest. Well, hey, bud, make sure you're sitting down on your back pockets for me, okay? All the way down. There you go. And right over here, we have a pride of lions enjoying their favorite holiday meal, zebra on the rocks. I'm kidding. He's just pretending to sleep so he doesn't have to talk to his extended family. Well, that's how I avoid the in-laws for the holidays. Now, look at this. Oh, that is amazing. Wow. You guys seeing this? Look at this. Man, Mr. Rhino, I usually just string popcorn together to put on my Christmas tree, but look at you going the whole 9 yards. That's amazing. All right, folks. Well, as we round the corner here, we're moving into crocodile country. Now, maybe you guys can help me with something. There's a couple crocodiles sitting over here. The big one on the left, that's old Smiley. He's over 100 years old. I have no idea what to get him for Christmas. Now, all of my skippers keep telling me that he wants a slow cooker, but I think that's a croc. Right. All right, now right behind me here is Schweitzer Falls. That was named after the late famous explorer, Dr. Snow Falls. Hey, you try to come up with a Christmas joke for a waterfall. All right, now I do want to let you know about all of the great holiday deals that we got going on out here in the jungle. Just this afternoon, a couple of my skippers came to me going, "Great news! We got half off an airplane." Remind me to have a little chat with them later, okay? All right, now we are entering a pool of very hungry hippos. That reminds me, I gotta be real specific about what I asked for on my Christmas list. You know, a lot of people think that when the hippos are blowing bubbles like this, that they're getting ready to attack or charge. Not true at all. In this holiday season, the water is actually very cold. That's how they regulate their body temperature so they don't get hypothermia. All right, now, I don't want to alarm anybody, but this is the most terrifying part of the holidays. Christmas carolers. They want you to stay still and act like you're not home. That's how I avoid it. What song is that anyway? I don't know either. Oh man. Looks like little Jimmy's not going to get that field crate he ordered for Christmas. Alright folks, well here's what came on the Jungle Cruise to see. I give you the awe-inspiring backside of water. Look at that. What? Hey, come on, that is a Boxing Day miracle. That's right. Yeah, Boxing Day miracle. Yeah, package that up and send it back. Alright folks, well, we're now on the Mekong River deep in the heart of Cambodia. Alright now, I don't want to alarm you guys, but have you guys noticed that tiger that's been stalking us all the way through the jungle? Well, I just saw him go in there. I know it's the same one too. He's got sandy claws. Hey, you know what we're not going to get for Christmas? Funnier. No, whoa. See, look, I told you, there he is. Oh, man. at my house too. Look at the adults sitting over here at the dinner table having fun. Kids are all playing around by themselves. Aren't they cute? And of course, just like in every family, you got the joker of an uncle who's over here hiding behind the rocks like he thinks I can't see him. He's gonna try to get us wet. No, stop it. That is not what I meant when I said shower us with gifts. He's very playful. You just gotta know how to talk to him. The thing you gotta remember about these elephants is when they come out of here, they get into this rhythm. Whoa, 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 whoa! No, no, get down. Don't even think about it. Drop it. Don't encourage him. You know, you might think it's water coming out of his trunk. It's not. Well, folks, no trip to the jungle would be complete without a visit to the gift shop. Don't look at me like that. That's how we end everything around here. Now, Trader Sam has labeled himself Trader Sam this year. Anyone want to do some holiday shopping? You know, this is actually the most civil Christmas shopping I've ever seen in a long time. Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? All right, folks. Well, out of all of my crew today, you have definitely been the most recent. This is the most dangerous part of our journey, my attempt to dock the boat. As we approach those docks, please keep your hands and arms inside the boat. Those sitting over here on the water side, you're going to exit out the back door. Do not cross over these center boxes. Lower your heads, watch your step, use those handrails. Did everyone have fun?
Yeah!
Oh, good, me too. In fact, I had so much fun, I think I'm going to do it again. And again. And again. And again. Every 10 minutes for the rest of my life. All right, folks. Well, I enjoyed having you all, and hope you all enjoyed being had. You know what I mean. One last thing on the count of three. Big thunderous round of applause. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, you guys are great. All right, folks. Well, only one thing left to say on this holiday season. Make like Santa, leave my presents. I'm sorry, that was rude. Please, get out. Thanks for coming, thanks for riding, thanks for laughing. If you didn't laugh, thanks for leaving. Watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails. Now, if you enjoyed this